Every March 17th, something incredible happens across America. From the streets of New York to the rivers of Chicago, the nation turns emerald. Strangers become friends, and for one day, millions of people choose to move as one. But beyond the parades and the green beer, there is a deep psychological force at work, one that explains why we crave belonging. It's not just a party, it's a mirror to our human nature. The logic, social conformity. In psychology, we often talk about social conformity. Usually, it's seen as losing yourself in a crowd, but that's only half the story. Social conformity isn't a weakness, it's a testament to how much we value being part of a community. St. Patrick's Day is a beautiful example of the group mind, a rare moment where we set aside our differences to celebrate a shared identity. It's our biological need to say, I am with you, we are together. The deep meaning, why we wear green. When you choose to wear green, you aren't just following a trend, you are participating in a collective ritual that has united humans for centuries. In a world that pushes us to be constantly independent and isolated, this festival is a psychological relief. It reminds us that our strength doesn't always come from standing alone. Sometimes it comes from the people standing next to us. The luck of the Irish isn't found in a pot of gold, it's found in the strength of the tribe. The philosophical insight. True transformation happens when you realize that you don't have to choose between being an individual and being part of a crowd. You can be both. You can keep your unique soul while still honoring the connection we all share. St. Patrick's Day shows us that when we choose to belong, we aren't losing our power, we are multiplying it. It is the wisdom of knowing that we are never truly alone in our journey. So, this St. Patrick's Day, as you join the sea of green, take a moment to appreciate the connection. Celebrate the power of being one. Because the strongest version of yourself is the one that knows how to belong without losing its soul. You are a part of the legacy. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Stay grounded, stay connected. See you in the next one.